Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Amy Darley, and today's video is going to be a summer clean and decorate with me. I'm going to be giving my front porch and back porch a complete refresh. I also have some really cute summer outfits to show you, and of course you're going to get some cleaning motivation. Y'all come hang out with me and let's get some things done together. Okay, you guys know the routine. We can't start cleaning until the bed is made. So I'm opening the blinds, getting some light in here, and I'm gonna make the bed. It was a beautiful day today, so I was actually really excited to start decorating and cleaning outside. I decided to wear some red, white, and blue today since we're gonna be decorating for summer. I also got in some really cute summer outfits from Amazon, and they're super inexpensive. They're so cute. Most of them come in different color options too, so I'm gonna show them all to you and even do a little try on for y'all after I make the bed, but I'm telling y'all, they're so cute and everything is super affordable. Okay, these are the outfits that I got in. All of them I am going to be wearing with this little tank top underneath, so I don't have to wear a bra. The tank top does not have a built-in bra, so I'm going to be wearing my cakes with this. I want to say a huge thank you to Cakes Body for sponsoring today's video. If you've never tried cakes before, let me tell you, these are a game changer. I'm using the triangle sticky cakes. They're adhesive everywhere but the center, so you can see how sticky they are, but then here in the middle, there's no adhesive there, so when you go to take it off at the end of the day, it's not gonna rip the sensitive area of your skin off. These come in 3 different skin tones. I'm wearing the honey. Here you can see I'm wearing it on underneath my tank top. It looks so smooth, and it even looks like I'm actually wearing a bra. I seriously love the cakes so much. I wear them all the time, especially with my outfits that are backless, or maybe the straps are super thin and I don't want to, have my bra strap showing. These also come in 3 different sizes. I actually got a set for my daughter too, and she has the itty bitty size. I'm telling you, these are a game changer for all of your cute summer outfits. Once I'm done wearing them for the day, I just put them back in the box and store them in here, and then it makes it super easy when I'm traveling too, because I can just throw the box in my suitcase. If you want to check these out, I do have a link down in the description box as well as in the comments, and I also have a coupon code AmyDarley15, so you can get 15% off your order. I'm telling y'all, you are going to love these. Okay, you guys, are you ready for some cleaning motivation? I have on my red, white, and blue today because I am getting ready to clean and decorate for Memorial Day, 4th of July, summer. By the time that you guys see this video, it'll already be past Memorial Day though. So hopefully you're still here for some good cleaning motivation and summer decorating. We are actually starting here on the front porch today because I'm working with the shade today. It stays shaded here on the front porch till about lunchtime, and in the back it's like fully sun right now. So I'm going to start in the front. We'll move our way to the back. I need to clean off the back porch. It has not been cleaned off this year, so it's pretty bad. I got a bunch of decor, so red, white, and blue decor I'm so excited about. I got some stuff from Walmart, Sam's Club, a bunch of stuff from Amazon. I actually have a few Amazon packages coming today, so I might have to work around that too. And then I might even go to Michael's though, because I think that there's a few things that I saw people were sharing all the red, white, and blue at Michael's right now, and it is all so cute. So I might head to Michael's and pick up a few things as well, but lots of cleaning to do. I'm so excited. I hope you are too. Let's go ahead and get to cleaning. Okay, before we start cleaning, I wanted to show y'all what the front porch looks like right now. We honestly really need some new pine straw. They were supposed to come put this out and we haven't gotten it yet. So waiting on the pine straw to be put out. But here you can see we've got like the pink florals, still looking like springtime over here. I will say I'm still obsessed with these flowers. These are faux flowers that I got off of Amazon a few years ago, and they still look brand new. They look so real. Love them. And then this is the wreath I got. I think I got that from Target last year, but definitely looking more like springtime, and we're ready to switch it out for summer. And then here is our front porch swing, which it looks so dirty. Our cats come and lay on this all the time, so it's pretty dirty. I need to probably pressure wash these. So I'm gonna pull those out. We do have these that look like summer, so I did put these out a couple weeks ago, and look, they're already so dirty. But I'll probably spray those down too, but those are cute for red, white, and blue summer pillows. But I did get some new ones too that we're going to be putting out. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is get all of the pillows and cushions off of the swing and go ahead and get these over on the sidewalk, and I am going to pull out my electric pressure washer. I love this thing. We do this every single year. We pressure wash all the cushions, all of the pillows, and everything. Gosh, these were so dirty. We have not done this in a year. So usually I do this once a year, and I have found that this is just the fastest and easiest way to clean our cushions. Now we also have a 30-second cleaner that I typically spray onto the cushions because, especially if there's like mildew or anything on it, these weren't too bad, so I didn't use it on these. But whenever I get the cushions from the back porch, you'll see my husband actually had gotten home. It was a little bit later in the day, and he helped me and pulled out the 30-second cleaner because there definitely were some mildew spots on the other ones. And then he did end up pulling these back out off camera and spraying a little bit on some of the cushions and respraying them. But honestly, just with the pressure washer, it gets so much of the dirt, like all the dirt pretty much comes off. But if there are some mildew spots, then I do recommend using the 30-second outdoor cleaner. We've been using that stuff for years. We even use it on our boat. It is just so good for all of those mildew stains. I typically film this every single year when we do this too, just because watching the pressure washer take off all the dirt is just so satisfying. I love using this thing. Now, after I pressure wash all the cushions and everything, I'm getting the cushions off of the egg chair that's also on our front porch. The egg chair used to be on our back porch, but we decided to move it to the front just because it was so hard to get on and off the porch because it's so big, it won't fit through a door. We wanted to easily be able to spray it down with a hose if we want to. Once I had all of the cushions and everything pressure washed, we just leaned them up against our boat trailer so that they could dry.
You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we're wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone.
Okay, now that I have the cushions all pressure washed, I'm going to start taking the spring decor off the front porch. And I was about to decorate, but then I realized there were a few things that I still needed. I wanted some faux florals to go in the new white pots that we got from Walmart. So I actually took a break at this point and I headed to Michael's. I didn't film that part. I wish I would have because they had so much cute stuff. But I went to Michael's, grabbed a few things, and then by the time I got back, the front porch had full sun. So I decided, okay, I'm going to just go ahead and move to the back porch. And you can see it is so dirty, especially this kitchen area that we have. Everything was just covered in pollen and dirt. There were tons of cobwebs. And we honestly haven't been able to enjoy the space out here because it just feels filthy whenever we come sit out here. So I'm going to go ahead and start cleaning out here. Like I said, I took all the cushions and pillows to the back. We're going to get all of that stuff sprayed down, and you can see the mildew stains on these, but that 30-second cleaner, it's going to get it all off, and these are going to look brand new. And y'all just ignore the tumble track that we have in the backyard, and then that's also my husband's golf net. He's been using like a golf simulator type thing, and he'll go back there and golf, and then we've been keeping the air track blown up just because we pull it out almost every single day so that my daughter can tumble in the backyard. And since that air track is so big, it's such a pain to like fold it up every day and deflate it and all of that and then reinflate it. So we've just been keeping it blown up here in the back. And I know it's not the prettiest thing to have back here, but it's pretty much the only place that we can leave it out. Now, we used to also have some chairs out here that match this furniture, and they were just worn out, so we ended up getting rid of those. So I am on the hunt for some new chairs that we can put out, just so that way when we have people over and we're hanging out here, there's just plenty of seating. But I'm going to be looking for something for back here very soon. I always love looking on like Walmart and Wayfair. They always have really good outdoor furniture. Okay, so I am sweeping out here first, just because when I get the blower, which my husband had to help me with this, it's a gas-powered blower and I can never get it to crank. So I did sweep first, just because we get a bunch of stuff that gets caked up in the corners, and once you use the blower, it's just blowing all around and it doesn't get out. So I sweep those corners out first, then I use the blower, and then you could see my husband was kind of coming behind me with the broom again. And then after I got that done, I went ahead and filled up this bucket with hot soapy water, and I am using a microfiber cloth, and I'm just wiping down all of this furniture. It was just easier. Usually we pull this furniture out and we'll actually pressure wash this too, but I figured doing it this way was just so much easier and a lot less time consuming, because we didn't have to like pull everything out of here. And honestly, this worked so well and was a lot faster than pulling everything out. So I think I'm going to do it from now on the same way. Okay, now we're going to clean over here in the outdoor kitchen area, and look how bad these cobwebs were. They were awful. But I have this little tool that I got off of Amazon a few years ago just for cleaning off the cobwebs, and it is so great because it's kind of like a broom, but the bristles are a little bit different. They're a little bit more slick, so it's really easy to get the cobwebs off of the end, off of those bristles when you're done, where with a broom, I feel like you're having to pick everything out and it's really hard to get it cleaned off. So I highly recommend that little tool. It expands so you can reach really high places. I'm even using it to kind of dust off back here a little bit before I start wiping everything down. I'm just using that same soapy water and a microfiber cloth, and I'm wiping down the walls. I'm wiping down all of the shelves. Actually, in the past, I used to spray this down with like a multi-surface cleaner and use a dry microfiber cloth to clean, but this was way easier. I felt like it got it a lot cleaner, a lot faster, if that makes sense. But I'm going to wipe all of this down, and then I'm going to actually dust off all of the little decor pieces that were up here on these shelves. I did end up getting rid of some of the pieces up here because I just felt like there was too much stuff up here. And when I went to pull it all off, it was all just so dirty, and I don't know, I wanted it to be a little bit more simple, and then that way whenever I go to clean up here, I don't have as much to pull down and as much to clean. So I did get rid of some stuff, especially because we don't use any of this stuff. It's all just out here for decor.
You, and I couldn't really make you stay, so what to do? I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer.
Okay, so here you can see it is so much more simple. I love the way it looks. And I said we didn't use anything, but we do use that little utensil tray. So I do pull those down whenever we have like a get together or anything. I'll use the little utensil tray. So that is something that I will definitely have to wipe down every time we have people over. But everything else is just up there for decor. All right, so now I am wiping down all of the windowsills and the doors. These were pretty dirty too. It did look like a little bit of mildew on the doors, but the hot soapy water definitely helped with that. So I'm just doing that first, and then I'm using the Sprayway glass cleaner to wipe down all of our windows.
Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you for so long. it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the summer when you left, it was cold. Said we loved one another.
Now that the cushions are all dry, I'm gonna go ahead and put these back on. And I did end up using the same pillows out here, but I kind of want to get new ones. We've had these pillows out here on the back porch for years and years and years. So I might end up going back to Sam's Club and getting more of the pillows that I'm going to be using on the front porch. Now our back porch is all nice and clean, and we've already sat out here several nights. We've even sat out here watching like the Braves game and having chips and dip, and it's just been so nice to be able to use the back porch again and not feel like we're just sitting out here with a bunch of dirt. Okay, now we're going to move back to the front porch. All of the cushions were dry, so I'm going to wipe down the swing really quick with that same hot soapy water and rag. And then I'm going to put the cushions back on the front porch, and we'll start doing a little bit of summer decorating. And here you can see the cushions. They look so much better. They look brand new. Now I did get a little bit too close with my pressure washer and kind of mess the fabric up just a tad. So if you're pressure washing, I don't recommend getting too close with the pressure washer. It can rip the fabric. But those are the pillows that I got from Sam's Club. They're so cute. And the pillows on the egg chair are the ones that I already had. The doormat is from Amazon. This little bow for the wreath is also from Amazon. But I found this ribbon at Michael's, and I was like, this would be so cute added on just to give it a little bit more color and make it a little bit more full. So I added some ribbon. The two new white pots are the ones that I got from Walmart. And then this faux floral plant, it already came all put together like this, and it looks so good. It looks so real. I got these from Amazon. So if you're like me and you cannot keep plants alive, or you just don't want to fool with it or mess with it, I highly recommend these. These are so good. So I got two of those. I'm going to put them in the bigger pots. And then for my smaller pots, I found some faux florals at Michael's when I went today. Actually, I got the red ones from Michael's, and then I got the blue ones from Hobby Lobby. They do have blue ones like this at Michael's, but my Michael's was out of stock. So I ran over to Hobby Lobby and got the blue ones to kind of fill in. So I love this color, this red and blue for 4th of July, summer. I just think they're so pretty. The last thing we're going to put out is our American flag. All right, so that is all the cleaning and decorating that I'm going to do for today. I had so much fun decorating these spaces, and seriously love the way everything turned out. Y'all have to let me know what you think in the comments. I will say I was hot and sweaty and ready for a shower by the end of doing all of this, but it was totally worth it because now we have all of our outdoor spaces cleaned and we can enjoy these spaces for the summer. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and say hey in the comments, and I hope y'all have an amazing week, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.